We're Scan, we're at DreamHack, we're here with Corsair, NVIDIA, ROG, Kioxia, Microsoft. They're supporting the stand today. We have all of their awesome products on stand for people to try. On the stand today we have ROG systems with peripherals. Everyone's trying out the Valorant competition there. Over at Corsair we have all of their new Galleon keyboards where people are using those to try out World of Warcraft and MMOs. And then on the 3XS motion sims, people are racing on a Assetto Corsa, seeing who can set the fastest lap. Everyone's been loving the stand today. They've been checking out our 3XS systems, having a go at winning prizes on the claw machine, and I've even seen our Unitree robotic dog running around as well.
I'm Carly at BenQ, and we are here today at DreamHack to support Scan computers with our Mobius EX271UZ 4K OLED gaming monitor. Oh, it's been brilliant. Yeah, loads of people coming up to try out the games and have a sort of play around on the monitors. Yeah, it's been really, really good reception.
It's been incredible so far. I didn't think it was going to be this good. Obviously it's the first time in the UK and they've absolutely smashed it. I've come from Southampton down south, travelled a bit away, and yeah, it's impressed. It's not filming at all. Seeing everyone and everyone's dressed up in cosplay, it's been amazing, like, been good. The sim rig, I've just had a go on it and I did not expect it to throw me around that much at all. I didn't know what to expect, but it was not that. That was one of the best experiences I've had while I've been here. Yeah, that's made my time, that has.
I love the vibe of DreamHack, I really do. Seeing all of the different gaming companies, the F1 races, like the Sims, COD League as well, it's just everything's so cool.
There's a monitor over there that caught my attention. The colors on it was crazy, so I just had to come over and have a look. But the whole booth's nuts. Some of the PCs as well, they like got massive screens on them, like some really cool stuff at the booth, man. Yeah.
It's my first time coming to DreamHack. I've got to say it's been absolutely amazing. The environment, the atmosphere, the Formula 1 racing, all these gaming companies, left, right and centre, monitors, spot on, wicked.